Let's talk about the top myth about facials and skincare. So I would like to help you put in rest the myth about facial that you might read about, hear about, um, to just clear this junk from your way. So let's jump in. Some myths about facial. Facials hurt. Well, you will never hear no pain, no gain in the world of like I don't know, so like a lot of like social media and stuff you read, like, yeah, you are a woman and you have to suffer for being beautiful, blah 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 blah. Stop. I take a holistic approach to skin therapy, and I'm not into pain. I mean, yes, some product might feel a bit more active, but you won't meet like these crazy acids that will burn your skin. And especially if you have sensitive skin, we're gonna walk step by step to find what's calming your skin and not irritate it. And with all the experience that I have, I found that with the peeling, for example, the skin needs exfoliation, but it doesn't have to be overly aggressive to achieve the same result. Now I do know that extractions may not be like the best part of the treatment, but I always really try to do it gentle and quick, soften the skin, prepare it. So most people just like, oh, I thought it's gonna be painful. Well, that's not my idea. Another myth that a single facial will be a miracle cure. You know, I'm a beautician, not a magician. Maybe in a lot of things, but not in this. Facial are meant to be preventive and corrective to certain degrees. Our skin cycle is about 28 days, so allow products and the effect of the facial to show the results in that time, and make it a routine. Every time you keep it a routine, you go for a facial, your skin will upgrade and upgrade and upgrade, and you will get the result. Not so, you don't need so many, but one is usually the preparation, especially if it's your first one. Another myth, you can do the same treatment at home for much less. So yes, you can find tons of beautiful homemade recipes. I have on my blog amazing ones, and you can enjoy your spa at home, and like to find these nice products, of course, to use at home, but you won't get the result that you can get in a professional treatment. So leave the guesswork to me to help you with the facial that suits you and the products. There's just like, it's the same, I think, like you will not fix your car at home, or maybe you do, but I don't know, whatever. You will not do a root canal for yourself at home because it's cheaper. Another myth, once a year in my birthday, it's enough to do a facial. So if you want the fastest and long-term results that I always see from clients is the one that commits to a routine treatment. Every 6 to 8 weeks, professional treatment coupled with a good home care product will save you money at the end. You won't have to like go through all this period of suddenly outbreaks and like, I don't know, whatever on your skin to try to save it. You will enjoy the beautiful result the whole year, the year long, yeah. So another myth, if somebody told you, I had breakouts from a facial and I will never go again. Well, if you face breakout, like enough to stay away from facials, it could be for several reasons. Like it could be that somebody uses the wrong products on your skin, causing irritations. It can be that extractions were not done correctly. Nobody prepared your skin, soften it. It could be that like a very strong peeling that doesn't suit your skin. It's just the wrong analyzing of the skin can cause this. So when you go for a facial, read the reviews, maybe get a recommendation. That's the best. Don't just gamble on your skin. Another myth: facial massage is just fluff. Well, massage actually increase the circulation and encourage face product to penetrate better in the skin, which help to nourish the skin. It helps detox from the skin, and it's release the tensions of the muscles, so your face relax and suddenly you experience different glow. Another myth: I can do my own extractions. Do not try this at home. Like, if it's not done correctly, you cause damage to your skin, you cause scars, you cause infection, inflammation, bacteria is gonna fill your pores. Don't attempt to do that at home. That's what I can only say. Another myth: if I will scrub very hard, it will solve my skin problem. No. No. A lot of people, excuse me, somehow many people believe that, like, if I scrub more and more and more, I will remove age spots, I remove line and wrinkles. But if you scrub too much, you actually disturb the natural product, the natural productive of the barrier of the skin that helps protect it. And you kind of strip away the good oils of your skin, and then your skin comes into this survival mode, and it says, okay, all my oils were taken away, I need to make extra oil. Then you have excessive oil and a whole big hot mess. Overuses of scrub can cause rashes, micro tears in your skin, and increase your overall sensitivity in the skin. So you want to wash gently, and you want to, like, if you scrub at home, once a week, very gentle scrub. That's it. So these are just like common myths that I found and I heard from people, and I want to break them down for you. If you hear anything other that it's like you're not sure or whatever, ask me. I'm happy to help.